We got a good old-fashioned unboxing today. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's Pash. Welcome back, and today I have a fun vintage handbag fashion file unboxing for you. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below, ring that bell, so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, we have a fun fashion file, noisy fashion file unboxing. Hopefully it's wrapped up really nicely in here. New to me bag from Fashion File. This is something I've been thinking about getting. This is a collection that has been re-released, and I was looking at the new items, and the prices of course are crazy for the new items. And so then I looked at vintage pieces. Those prices are kind of crazy for the vintage pieces, but there's this one that I saw and I've been thinking about getting even before this new release, and I decided just to go for it. So even though it was more money than I think I should have to pay for a vintage piece, I'm hoping it's as amazing as I think it is. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we made it. This is a big box, so it was really hard for me to do, but here's the fashion file. And I forgot about this, but I think it's the fashion file calendar. The new fashion file calendar. Let's sneak to my birthday. Anyone ever do that? When it calendar, do you sneak to the birthday month? See if it, does this scream Jess? Like, I'm a homebody. Yes, I like to travel, but give me something bright and colorful. Like, I have a lot of baggage. I need baggage to carry around. What the heck does that mean, Fashion File? Let's get to the pretty bag. Here it is here. They still have the confetti. Open it up. Confetti all over my floor. Now, okay, here it is. I'm so excited. Sorry, this is so dramatic. It's knotted. Okay. I get to look first. Oh, it's covered in the other dust bag. Man, the drama of this. Now you know it's a Louis Vuitton. And here it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, so beautiful. So this is the Louis Vuitton denim. They call it on here sac à dos, but I thought it was called the Montessori bag. But this is in the beautiful denim. And I've been looking at bags like this, and some of them have wear to the corners, but this one seems pretty good when I was looking at the pictures. Like, they'll have some major wear, like almost where there is holes. I don't mind if there's a little bit of wear to the denim because I think that adds to it, but if it looks like it's getting a hole, that's where I draw the line. This looks beautiful. Okay. Take that out. Okay, I have bubble wrap in there. And what surprised me off the bat is the metal that is in here, because you have like this metal, and this is substantially heavy. Whereas the newer bags that have come out, let me show you, because I have quite a few of these particular bags. This is the bag. Hold on, get my chair. This is the bag I'm currently rocking, and it has stuff in it. But the hardware, granted, there's more hardware on there. This feels heavier than this bag does, with no idea what happened. It stopped recording, but I had gotten up to show you what it looked like on. I was comparing it with this one, and I was saying how this one is a little bit bigger, but it also feels a lot heavier than this bag does, being even in the leather. And then I got this one out because of course I have a problem. I have another bag. So I have this in the PM size, and this is the bag that I use all the time in the summer. It's one of my favorite ones when I'm going anywhere, and it has a beautiful patina on it, and yet I don't really worry about it getting dirty or anything like that in comparison with this bag. And I believe it only came in this size. Like, I think that's why it's called this denim sac à dos backpack and not the Montessori backpack, but it definitely is giving those kind of vibes, except that it has these pockets right here. Let me try it on for you again, even though you never saw the first time. So here it is right here, super cute. This actually feels really good, but it has so many lengths that you can adjust to. And here it is, like my favorite way to wear it, just like off to the side like this. I feel like it looks so cute. I always just throw it on one shoulder like this, go out and about, do the things that I need to do. Here is a close-up of it that you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, this one didn't have any marks on it. Now, if you want to try to find this in pristine condition and doesn't have any marks, you're going to be looking at close to $3,000 for it. This bag, I got a little over $2,000 with tax and shipping and stuff from Fashion File. The brand new ones that have come out are over $3,000, and I believe they kind of look more, I have to put it up, but I think they usually have this clip. Pretty amazing. And it's kind of crazy that when I'm looking at this and I feel this clip right here and like opening it up and feeling the metal, that it feels so substantial. Wow, this feels like real metal. Whereas the newer versions of the bag coming out are so much lighter and it doesn't really feel like real metal. It kind of feels like hollow. And it's just crazy how everything changes from year to year. When this bag came out, I believe it was in the early 2000s. And here it is compared to the newest. This is the Montessori bag again. This is called something, the Sacadus backpack, because of the two things it has here, but it definitely is giving Montessori vibes for sure. And there's this one, and I absolutely love this bag. I wear it all the time. I love it because it is so heavy duty with the snow and everything going on. And I'm not going to be taking this bag out in the snow, so I'm going to have to wait until spring rain is kind of done to take this one out, because I just don't want to risk it getting like dirty or anything like that right away. I am going to enjoy it and wear it, but I'm just going to wait until the timing is a little bit better. But how freaking beautiful is this bag? Oh, I just love it. I just love it. And then here's compared to the PM size. And I use the PM all the time. This is one of my favorite bags. And I'll do this so you can see it both like this. Sorry, my belly's out. I'm getting ready to do a workout, but I got the bag and I wanted to open it up. And here it is. This kind of see the older version. So I always recommend trying to find a vintage version, because yes, I am saving money on this. Let me grab my chair. So here's my thoughts on the denim. I have been looking at the newer bags, thinking about maybe investing in the bum bag. That's one that I've still been thinking about. I haven't made a decision on. I love the bum bag. I used to have it in the monogram. I have it in the leather. So I use my bum bag all the time. So seeing it in the denim version, I'm like, oh, that looks so cool. For some reason, doesn't this look beautiful? This denim blue with the vachetta, it just looks absolutely amazing. So that is something I'm thinking about. I believe that bum bag is a little over $2,000. So a little bit pricey, but not crazy, whereas the backpacks are over $3,000, and I definitely would not spend $3,000 on the backpack, just because, it's something I see myself wearing spring, summer, and I think over $3,000 for a bag that you're not going to wear a majority of the time isn't worth the price to me. What do you guys think? Are you thinking about investing in the denim? Have you been looking at the prices? I can't believe how much the prices of all the denim pieces have gone up. I remember buying a denim pouch for like $300, $400 and then selling it, making a couple $100 profit. And now that same pouch is selling for close to $2,000 just because a collection got re-released. Craziness. Let me know what you think of this new beauty. Is it something you're looking at? What vintage pieces are you going after? What is on your wish list? I'd love to hear from you down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye, guys.